Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to confuse our cat with hydraulic press.
No.
No, we are not going to crush him. We are going to crush something even more important to him. His food. And we are going to crush this with Cubinator 5 million to make ultimate cat food solution.
For greedy cats.
What is the product name? Cat Cube 5 million. That's the name. And no worries, we have also solution for dogs. Dog Cube 10 million, which we are going to try out with my dad's dog, which is also really greedy. So let's go prepare the cubes and then find out what the animals say about them.
They say nothing.
Yeah, dogs don't speak. Okay, let's start the dog treats. And I thought like these are super gourmet. There's some kind of like sauce or seasoning, but this is oxygen absorber.
Yeah.
Do not eat.
Yeah, so let's not put that there.
Oh,
It already filled up.
I think that's pretty good amount. And these are like special treats that should be really good. And I have to already say, for the like benefit of the dogs, this doesn't smell as bad as cat food.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, the cat food, at least the fishy food I put to your perfume smelled really bad.
But both of those animals lick each other's assholes, so probably don't like.
They're the most not gourmet.
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
Whoopsie daisies.
The tool has seen better days.
Yeah, but it has kept going quite long.
Surprisingly long.
Yeah, surprisingly long. These are probably the last crushes with this tool.
Oh, looks really interesting. Might be that the dog food doesn't beautify. Hey!
Yeah, it is good. Is it tight? It's quite tight. Yeah.
Ta-da! I think this didn't fuse like perfectly, but it's a quite meaty cube. Okay, let's go and try out.
Okay, now we are going to Timo's place to see his dog Alpo, and let's see, does he like his new treat? Okay, here we are, and we are trying if Alpo likes this at all. So let's try. I think that was yes. Okay, Alpo is quite young. He's 1 year and 3 months, and he's really excited. and look how nice you. This is huge, I know. Let's see if he can eat this at all.
Little bit confused.
Yeah, a bit confused. Yeah. No. Not sure if this is like some. Yeah. Yum, yum. I think this is like a
long-lasting meal.
just licking it. Otto, of course, cleaned the tools really well. Like he washed them 2 times before.
Is that little pieces?
Yeah, little pieces. He's getting little pieces there.
Is it good?
I think
it is.
Yeah. No.
He isn't eating it too fast.
Yeah, not too fast, but it's still getting something there. You can have later more. This was a success.
Not too greedy.
Not too greedy. And now we go crush some cat food.
Do you know why the cat shit smells so bad? Because of the food. This already smells bad, and going through the cat surely don't help.
No.
And I'm a bit afraid what's going to happen when we put some force on top of this. Will we crush the smell out? And my cat, the cheaper the cat food, the more he likes it.
Yeah.
So I think this is going to go very well. Okay, I'm going to crush until the smell starts to come out.
Oh no. I think the food is going to come out again. Yeah.
Isn't that great? I crush too much and then I say like we together fucked up.
Yeah. I'm also guilty, of course.
If you didn't say stop.
My bad.
Yeah, we don't need it, it's gone. Oh no, oh my god, it's...
No.
Could we get it out like... Holy... Oh, it's really dense.
Maybe with some hammering time.
With the knife.
Okay, with the knife.
Hey, I know how we can do this. This is completely doable. We have to just redo this and not open this. We are going to push it through the tool and then it's going to be okay.
The one thing is like common to all the Cubinator cubes, and it's the smell. Everything smells really bad with this tool.
Okay, here it comes. Ooh!
Wow! It's so cute, but really, really cute.
My cat is going to love this. I think this is really solid, by the way. And this, the smell. The cat is going to go absolutely apeshit when he smells this, but he can't bite this. This is too large.
He can only lick it.
I think we are going to see real frustration on his face. Let's go have a...
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Okay, Hanna has the cube and that there is Leoko. Leoko is the most greedy cat ever. Okay, place the cube on the plate.
On the plate. Flicking it. Oh, it got some.
Okay, second cat. Hanna's cat, the black one, it's not so greedy as Leoko.
But it's interesting though.
Yeah,
Neppi likes the camera more.
Yeah. Neppi is a film star. Yeah, but they clearly even don't want to try to bite it.
No.
Leoko just licks it. Neppi is attacking the camera. Maybe this is the weight loss food that we have been trying to find for Leoko, because it's going to take forever to eat that.
I think that that's good entertainment for Leoko when we are away.
If that would be regular food, it would be already eaten like many times. I would say that they are a bit frustrated about like slow progress of eating.
Neppi's biting the corner.
Hey, let's try. Give some like regular cat food. Will it like outshine the cube? Yeah. And if that would be like untreated, like the cat cereal, they would prefer that over that anytime.
Yeah. Now they have like a 2-course meal.
Yeah, the cube is unbeaten. They can't destroy it. I think this is going to take forever. But the cats, they didn't got confused as I thought. They are just slow eaters. Yeah, but hey, that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day. Oh no, the cube has been beaten.
Beaten, eaten.
Beaten and eaten.
Half of it.
Took like maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah. Cats are happy.